I am Jitendra Lakshman Dalvi, founder and director of Creative Sports Center and Creative Carom Academy. Creative Sports Center and Creative Carom Academy provides indoor games coaching, especially in Carom. We provide Carom coaching in different schools in different districts. In Carom, you have to use a seat position, you have to use a body position. So all these things are important. So we are going to learn all these shots, how to play with different sitting positions, aiming and technical skills. Hello friends and students. Today we are learning straight pocketing. In straight pocketing, force is involved. We must know what is force in Carom. When coin, pocket and striker are in a straight line, 100% force in the striker is transferred into the coin. Since striker is of maximum weight 15 grams and coin is of maximum weight almost 6 grams, so little force is required. I will demonstrate it. So by traveling striker this much only, you can pocket a straight coin. For that you have to bring your striker in line with pocket and coin. But in doing so, sometimes you need to pocket this coin. That time the straight line is coming somewhere over here. So the striker in straight line will come over here. In that case, you need your body to be aligned with this position also. So let us understand how to align our body. Draw an imaginary line from pocket passing into the center of the coin. Keep your striker on that straight line. Try to bring your shoulder line 90 degree to this line. So here is my shoulder line, which is 90 degree to this coin. Now I should concentrate on this point and this point only. I have to just touch this point to this point. Now imagining straight line passing through this coin, center extended up to the base coin. Line is inclined, hence my shoulder line will also incline little bit. So now I will change my position and bring my shoulder line 90 degree to the striker path and play to just touch the coin. Again here your line is little bit more inclined, so you have to bring your shoulder line 90 degree to this and play. Similarly, I will discuss for these 3 coins, and we will discuss these coins separately. You must have seen I have changed my body position from this position up to here. Since there is a limitation for your body position, this arrow line you are seeing, it is extended beyond this carom. This is your area of playing area. You cannot move your body beyond this line. So in this case, if you need to pocket this coin in the right front pocket, if you try to bring your body behind this, there will be a fall. So how to pocket this coin into the right base pocket? I will try to move my striker in a straight line so that cut shot will be implemented over here. So now in this case, my striker path is in a vertical line, so my shoulder line will be horizontal. So let us watch. Let us now watch our assistant coach Harish Jain playing straight pocketing. In this case, he will be playing with the upper body movement only. Hope you would have liked our videos in basics in Carom. Kindly like, subscribe our channel and comment on our videos. We are coming up with advanced strokes in Carom very soon. So stay tuned with us and log on to our website www.caromshots.in. Thank you very much.